Okay, so we're going to look at formulas. Firstly, we'll start with average. All formulas start with equals, so equals. You type in the word, in this case, average. Open your brackets. So imagine that's a hug. You've opened one bit of your hug. You highlight the area you're interested in. You close your hug. Show you again. All formulas start with equals. You write the word, in this case, average. You open your hug. You highlight the area that you're interested in. And then you close your hug. There's a shortcut to doing these over and over again. If you can see that my mouse changes, I have the mouse looks like a hand, and that allows me to move things around the page wherever I want it to go. You have my mouse looks like a cross. That's my highlighting mouse. Then if you hover in the corner, it becomes a black cross. That is known as a replicating hand. So when I drag this information down, it doesn't copy it per se, but it knows C5, C6, C7, C8, C9. It works out that because you've dragged it down, it needs to change. Let's try that again. We're going to do equals min to work out the minimum. We're going to open our brackets. We're going to highlight the area we're interested in. We're going to close our brackets and hit enter. Because we've done it once, we can go to the little corner, drag down. Let's try the next one. Equals max. Open brackets. Highlight the area you're interested in. Sorry. If you do them wrong, it goes a bit like this. You just must always delete back to the highlight. So you open your brackets, highlight the area you're interested in, close your brackets, enter. Again, replicate down. We'll have a go with sum. Equals sum. Sum is to add up. It means to add up a selection of numbers. It tends to be when you want a row, a column, or a selection of numbers to be added up. Enter. And then we can replicate it down. So very basic formulas: sum, max, min. Now it might be a case that actually you want to do, say for example, an average, but the two numbers aren't next to each other. So it's an average of that one. So what's wrong with that? There's no equals. So we put the equals in front, average. So it's that number, comma, and the other number is this one. So I only want those two in the average, I don't want the middle one. Enter. And again, you can replicate it down and it will know that you're only dealing with the stuff in the first and third columns. Here, we can also use symbols if it's only one or two letters. For example, equals. We're going to have this, B9, and here we're going to do plus. If I'm only plussing two together, or adding two together, I wouldn't use the sum, I would just add them like that. Equals this one, divided by, which is the slash, this one. Equals this one, multiplied or times by this one. Enter. Equals, click, minus, click. Okay, so here we're using the calculations where they're just using a symbol to work out.